months. I found it really informative and really, really interesting. And for me, as a member of the executive team, it's really clarified for me the type of questions that I need to be asking, the type of evidence that I need to be seeking, and the type of assurances I need to be receiving from IT, but also from the core businesses, other core businesses, to make sure that they understand their responsibilities, that it's not just an IT problem. Big takeaway for me, we're in the process of working on our business continuity planning, and with that is actually looking at all our technologies, all the systems that we have, all the contracts that we have. So from this course, definitely there's things that I'll be looking for in contracts. There's things that I've already asked for and have the standard, yeah, we're over that. So I'll be seeking actually evidence of that from our suppliers. I'll take a lot of takeaways from the course back to the executive team as well, in terms of what they should be asking, what they should be seeking, what they should be looking for. Definitely the thing about the trends. I want to speak to IT to see how they're monitoring trends, because we do hear there's been, a minor incident here, a minor incident there, a minor incident, but do they look at it on a bigger picture? Do they understand that? In terms of the 2.5 days course, I found it really, really engaging. UMR have been really knowledgeable and engaging. You've delivered it in a way that's so easy to understand. There's no jargon. There's no, trying to show us how much you know. It's just speaking to us as normal, everyday people. I've found the structure really interesting and useful as well, how it's been broken up, the breakout rooms, getting different perspectives, energising us a wee bit to bring us back in and then take us on to the next topic. So it's been a really interesting course, and I've enjoyed it probably a lot more than I thought I would enjoy it, if I'm honest. Yeah, thank you very much for taking the time to deliver it.